Hello, welcome, Eleni Shiamtanis here, thank you for being here. Today I'm going to do a 60cm round canvas and I'm going to do a blossom, like a Chinese blossom, blue blossom. I'm going to use like a dirty pour for the background so I can get like a dusty pink and grey sky, and then I'm going to use the palette knife to do some branches, and then I'm going to do balloon kisses for the blossom. So I'm excited, I just love the look of that, so let's go make some art. I'm going to use this. Pearl white. I'm just pouring it in so that it just kind of mixes a little bit. So I'm not layering it. There's some lumps in there, but never mind. This grey. More of this. A little bit of silver. Thick. Can't be too fussy about it. A bit more pearl white. I have my good friend Patricia here with me as she's learning fluid art and wanted to watch. Okay, let's pour this. Is this going to be enough?
Delicious.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, it's not enough though.
Really?
It's alright, just do the same thing.
So it's a whole cup nearly then?
Oh, it's a big canvas, isn't it?
I wouldn't have thought, I thought it would have covered, but now that means it would have been a full cup for that size.
Almost, yeah. Because
You could do the other sleepyhead. She's missing. Oh, she's so sweet. Baby, come on. Come on, baby, come. You can get it to the... Okay. Let Molly get a cuddle too. You've got freckles on your back. Oh,
yeah, she's old now. She's got all sorts of
she looks
growths.
really good. Her eyes are good.
Her teeth are terrible though.
Her teeth are terrible.
Yeah, her teeth are just really bad.
Rosie, you're bossy.
Let's tilt so we can get a pretty sky. Just tilt it all around. So we don't need too much paint on the canvas. Let's just try and spread it around.
It's quite firm.
I chose a medium consistency for my base paint to allow the balloon kisses to be more defined. I'm always fascinated with how it's always different every time.
It's very soft and that's beautiful. Looks like a sky, doesn't it?
Yeah, you know that sort of,
yeah.
You know when you get that pink.
Evening sun,
yeah.
Dusk.
That's it. Dusk.
And look at that above, how beautiful it is. Wow, that worked out really good.
Sometimes when you don't overthink things and just...
It's perfect. It's perfect for the background.
I'm hoping it's going to spread. It's going to spread enough.
I know, I'm thinking, Jesus.
I can use a flow extender to spread it out more. I'll do this. There it is. Last time I had too much paint on here and it was hard to do the balloon kisses. Alright, which way up were we? This way.
Gives it more depth, like.
Yeah. Okay. Right, give that a few minutes and we'll do the branch. It's going to come from this side. So now I'm going in with the palette knife with the PBO Studio Acrylics Copper.
Very nice on the blood there.
And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of gold. Alright, so let's start. So I waited half an hour for the base paint to set up a little bit because it makes the balloon kisses easier, but I think I should have waited an hour, it would have been better. Just layer your colours in little puddles before you balloon kiss. I'll do some different colour ones. Base. Change the layering.
It's quite gooey, your paint.
Yeah, I've mixed these quite thick because these are the ones that I use for blooms.
I will check to see if it might be sticky like that.
So these ones I've mixed to a fairly thick consistency. Oh, these colours are so nice. This is a TLP as well, Lagoon.
Macaron on Coca-Cola.
Yeah? Oh God. See, it's just pretty like this. And I'll do some different ones like. come back again. Sometimes the colours get swallowed up, but then it comes through afterwards, and it's a layering process, so you need to go over it a couple of times. So, layering process. A lot of paint on there. That'll be alright.
It's spreading actually, look, they're getting bigger.
That's what I mean, they do just have to do more layers. You just it's alright, I'm going to do bigger ones now anyway, because I think we need more paint.
Very brave. Oh, it's quite gooey, huh?
Oh, I love this colour.
It's going to be beautiful with that gold there. Eleni, you make me laugh. It's going to be a little petal whether you like it or not. Petal.
There wants to be one there. It'll all work out in the end.
You know your hair's getting longer.
Yeah.
It's going to go into the bit.
I know.
It's got a bit long, it's like an inch and a bit. It's growing quick.
Yeah, but I cut it.
It's growing really quick.
When Shen was here, she cut about this much off.
Oh, really?
This is fun.
Very gooey paint.
Good, I like it like that.
Yeah,
Because you can't have it too. You can't have it too runny. Yeah.
Isn't it? I'm glad I'm watching now. Oh, it looks nice on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice.
It's so pretty. Whenever I'm recording, I always feel like I have to rush, and I keep saying to myself, "Just don't rush. There's no need to rush." You know what? You know why? Because my other phone that I had used to run out of space or whatever,
cut off.
and it would cut off. And so I used to rush to try and get everything done before it cut out. And now I don't need to do that anymore.
The backgrounds come out really nice.
I know,
it's bleeding and softened.
It's beautiful.
It's still reacting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Still warming up or
It's still
something.
reacting. That's what I mean. It's all a process. It doesn't all happen in one go.
And I like how the end where you got the sticks, how it's more organic at the end there, where
Yes.
you had the llama from.
Yeah. This one as well. I wish I had a big balloon. Let's get some balloons and we go to jump.
But if you've got a big balloon, it would grab all of them at the same time. Do you know what I mean? You'd put it down.
But slightly bigger, I think. We could do a slightly bigger.
I've got some balloons, I haven't used them.
See, I mean, these are developing. Look at how pretty that one is there.
Yeah, actually, it's changed a lot. It really has changed a lot.
So, I mean, you just got to be patient and don't sort of panic.
Beautiful.
See, if you had another canvas, you could make some really nice things with the ones that are in here.
Actually, it'd be good to just have a little spare one on the side.
Yeah.
Because sometimes the second and third one are gorgeous. Did that? It's almost like the second one is better. Look at it. Really nice. Nice, nice.
And they don't have to be. Oh, I love that. Perfect. You see where there's a lot of paint? Oh, I love that.
Magic. Oh my God, it's magic. Wow.
I think that's enough.
Yeah.
I think that's more than enough.
Oh, you've got one near you. Look,
Where?
down the bottom. It hasn't been pushed. A lonely one. Lonely.
Oh, I just want some more. Right, little ones here. So you just keep going and it will bring it out. It'll bring up the colour. Look how beautiful these are.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. You couldn't get a better blossom.
That is so pretty.
It's good, haven't you?
Now with a close up. And look at that shimmer. And those balloon kisses. Just really, really lovely shapes. Look at that one. Really, really lovely. And the background is really shimmery. I love the pink sky. And really nice. Okay, I will show you the finished result. I will probably resin this before I show you. Here we are with the finished result. I'm really, really happy with it. I think the star of the show is the PBO iridescent blue-green and the PBO iridescent copper. Such beautiful, beautiful colours. I need to get more of those PBO iridescents. The background I just love. It kind of looks moody, sort of dusky, grey, pink colour. And these flowers have just, blossoms have just come out really pretty. I've added my PBO relief outliner with little squiggles. Just think it adds to the piece. It gives it sort of a 3D, another 3D element to it. Just pretty, and the shimmer is there. Really lovely. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. And thank you so much. If you want to watch another video like this, tap the screen on the left.